let me show you all display settings that we have available on Xiaomi 17T. So let's go ahead and open settings, and then we have to scroll down a little bit in order to find the display and brightness. So here we can find light and dark mode, so you can choose whichever theme you prefer to use. There is also dark mode options where we can set up the dark mode for individual apps. And also we have the automatic dark mode, which pretty much is a schedule, so you can create a schedule when the dark mode can be enabled and disabled automatically. Besides that, we can find the screen brightness settings, so you can adjust the brightness of the screen over here by moving on the slider left and right. You can also find automatic screen brightness, and if the automatic screen brightness is disabled, you can also find sunlight mode over here. In the screen section, you can find color scheme, where we can find adaptive color temperature, which automatically adjusts colors based on the ambient light for a more natural look. We can also choose Vivid or Original Color Pro colors color scheme. And we also have the color temperature wheel, so you can set up the color temperature on your display. You can create your own one. You can also go for cool or warm preset, or you can just stick with the default one. We also have Xiaomi Eye Care Shield, which is pretty much the eye comfort shield or blue light filter. So when you turn it on, your screen turns yellow or orange, which is of course useful if you use your phone at night. There is also the paper texture that you can apply. We have colors set up, and the app range, so of course you can disable this effect for specific apps if that's what you need. There is also the schedule, so you can create the schedule for the eye care shield, so it's going to be automatically enabled and disabled at a given time. We also have refresh rate settings, where we can choose the default option, which allows you to use up to 120 Hz, but if the power consumption or battery usage is higher at a given moment, then the refresh rate can be limited to 60 Hz in order to save the battery. And there is also the custom option where you can set the refresh rate to 60 Hz or 120 Hz, and then it is used pretty much all the time. Also, if you use 120 Hz, you can choose which apps are allowed to use up to 120 Hz. There are some apps which have this option disabled, so you might want to turn it on. There we go. There is also the font option, which redirects you to the Themes app with fonts category selected, so you can search for new fonts for your phone. And if you go to font settings, you can choose the font that you want to use. You can adjust the text size over here, and in the case of some fonts, you can also adjust the thickness of the font. And that is pretty much all in the case of display settings. For more visual options, you can also go to personalization over here, where we can find, for example, always on display. We can also find AOD notifications, also known as edge lighting or edge lights. We have fingerprint effects, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.